Hello, I would like to tell you about the drug Latuda. Latuda is used in the treatment of schizophrenia. Schizophrenia affects 1 in every 300 people worldwide. Schizophrenia affects adults and children ranging between the ages of 10 to 17. Some of the symptoms of schizophrenia is hallucination, illusions, delusions, paranoia, anhedonia, which is lack of pleasure in life, isolation, withdrawals, flat or restricted affect, and reduced motivation. Latuda is prescribed to help lessen the symptoms of schizophrenia. Latuda has been approved by the FDA since 2009. So Latuda is not a new drug. It is a drug that has been around for a while. It has been tested, studies has been done, and there are those that do use this drug at this time to treat schizophrenia, but also it is used to treat bipolar I disorder. One of the ways that Latuda is used to help schizophrenia is it attached to and affects several different receptors for the neurotransmission on the surface of the nerve cells in the brain. So it blocked the receptors and it helped to normalize the activity of the brain. There are some side effects for Latuda. That is EPS, which is Parkinson, and akathisia, sedation, which is sleepiness or drowsiness, agitation, nausea, difficult or slow movement, restlessness. Latuda has been through studies, and reports show that 44% of the adults that has taken Latuda have a reduction in their depression. Also, 37% of children who have taken Latuda have a reduction in their depression. It is as effective as olanzapine, which is also a drug that has been used quite a bit for schizophrenia. But Latuda is just as effective as the other drug. With Latuda, patients have switched from their current antipsychotic medication and have shown improvement. Now with Latuda, it does take 6 weeks, sometimes a little sooner, for improvement to be noticed or seen. So this drug is effective in the treatment of schizophrenia, and your doctor can prescribe it for you, will give you the proper dosage, and hopefully you will have a very good outcome with it. I thank you for listening to my information, and I hope that it was beneficial to you. Have a great day. Thank you so much.